It is cold. I'm gonna go get a jacket.
Go ahead. Start her up. What's going on, YouTube? Today we are going to Harbor Freight and we are going to be picking up a engine hoist and an engine stand so we can pull the motor out of the project truck. Here we go. Alright guys, we made it to Harbor Freight. Let's go and see if they got what we need. About to spend some money. Hey now, don't be saying that, you get me in trouble. Alright, where should we go? You need some wrenches? Oh yeah, you want to paint the Z ourselves? Come on, man. We'll do a good job. Alright, automotive. So this looks like the right aisle. There it is. That's the boy there. I think it's this one. Yeah, $59.99. 1,000 pounds. Oh, dude, that's sick. 60 bucks. I like that. You can keep wrenches, sockets, freaking everything in there. Alright guys, well, we got what we needed. 2-ton engine hoist and a 1,000-pound engine stand. I guess that means now we gotta go put them together. We'll meet you back at the house. Well, we had to stop at Best Buy because for some reason the gimbal isn't working right with the GoPro or the drone. So we'll see what we can do here. I think we need to go to customer service, right?
Let's see if they even have it first.
Oh, so much want.
See, I don't know if they sell the gimbal.
Yeah, I don't think they sell it separately. Yeah, because I don't see one. I don't see it. Well, we thought we were going to end the video when we got back to the house to drop off the engine stand and the engine hoist. But Kyle just called us, and I guess we're going to go over there and help him finish up a wrap on his car.
Yeah, from 1320 video.
Kyle? Kyle? Kyle?
Not
He don't live in Texas.
Not that Kyle.
What's up, boys?
How you doing?
What we got going on here?
We are trying to wrap.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's scary. Alright, bud.
Yeah,
Tell
like
them what we're doing.
we're wrapping this bitch.
Hell yeah. There. That's what she's gonna look like when it's all said and done.